Welcome back to TechieTape. In this video, we'll explore together how to create a Ventoy USB drive in Android. No PC required. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Creating a bootable USB drive usually requires a working computer, but if your PC is crashed, you can easily build a rescue drive directly from your phone using the Ventoy unofficial app for Android. Note, this process will completely format your USB drive. Make sure to back up any important files on it before you begin. Here is exactly what you need: an Android phone, no root access is required, a USB drive, a drive with at least 8 or 16 GB of space, an OTG on-the-go adapter, usually a USB-C to USB-A, male to female OTG adapter, which lets you physically plug your standard USB drive into your phone's charging port. The app, Ventoy, unofficial, by Mix Applications, available on the Google Play Store. ISO files, the operating system setup images, like Linux, Windows, etc., downloaded directly onto your phone's internal storage. Connect the hardware. Plug your USB drive into the OTG adapter. Then plug the adapter into your Android phone. If your phone doesn't automatically detect it, go to your phone's system settings, search for OTG, and make sure it is toggled on. Configure Ventoy unofficial. Open the Ventoy app. It should automatically detect your connected USB drive. You can choose your partition style, GPT, MBR, and configure the installation if needed. Install Ventoy. Note, the free version of this app works on a coin system fueled by watching quick ads, or you can opt for a pro upgrade to skip them. Installing Ventoy to the USB drive requires 2 coins. Copying ISO files to the USB and downloading ISOs directly to the USB are free. Tap the install button within the app. Keep the app open in the foreground while it formats your drive and installs the hidden Ventoy bootloader. Note, you can also update or clear and install the Ventoy version already installed on your USB drive from within the app by clicking the Update or Clear button. Copy your ISO files. Once the installation finishes, Ventoy splits your drive into 2 parts. Use the app's USB file manager or copy file to USB feature, or your phone's built-in system file manager to simply copy and paste your downloaded ISO files directly onto the main visible partition of the USB drive. How to use it: once the files finish copying, safely eject the USB drive from your phone. Plug it into the broken or target PC, power the computer on, and instantly mash your system's boot menu key, usually F12, F11, F9, F8, or Escape. Select your USB drive, and instead of booting directly into a single installer, Ventoy will present you with a clean, dynamic menu listing every single ISO you pasted onto the drive. Just select the one you want to run. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.